Here and head is held high, they are my friend, tricolor will always fly. Good morning to one and all present here in this cheerful gathering. Standing before you is Lakshagar from Fabulous House. Today, as we celebrate 79th Independence Day of our beloved India, I would like to share something different to you. Not just history, not just facts, but a small journey of imagination. So let's start with a small story. Once upon a time, there was a curious boy who found a magical time machine. He stepped into it and went to a moment in history. It was the night before independence of India. The air was filled with excitement, but with the weight of countless sacrifice. It was a moment for him to know and visualize the history of India from the surrounding environment, which took him back to 4th century. There, he saw an unfamiliar country. Being the area of India, it was not like the same, because India was then divided into several parts, several Janpads and Mahajanpads. Its unification started at the moment a saint named Chanakya untied his crest and the path of forming an undivided nation became wide open. Following the principle of Karma Yoga, India rose to the peak of glory and prosperity, earning the name Golden Bird. But this growing fame attracted the invaders towards itself. The very Britishers, who used to bow low upon its fields, now became the masters of its throne. Britishers captured the whole India, but even then, they went unable to defeat the courage of its people. This era was marked with evolution of several freedom fighters. Then the boy met some of them. Firstly, he met Bhagat Singh, who smiled and then said, "You will be born in free India, but remember that freedom without responsibility is like a kite without string. Protect it or it will be lost." Then Subhash Chandra Bose appeared and in his inspiring voice he said, "Give your best to your country. Whatever work you do it with patriotism, excellence and honesty." As the clock struck midnight, the whole air was filled with cheers of Vande Mataram. The tricolor was rising for the first time over free India. And before boy could celebrate, the time machine pulled him back to present. Now the boy is thinking that India is independent. But really, we face a lot of challenges even today. Pollution, corruption, inequality, injustice and many more. This is the point where truth becomes clear. Fight for independence has not just ended in 1947. It has just changed its form. Before it was against foreign rulers. But today, it is against ignorance, injustice and our own bad habits. The story ends here with a powerful quote that every citizen of this country is like a soldier. Not everyone wears uniform, but everyone carries the duty to protect India's honor. Indian independence is not just about a date in history. It's about keeping India's dignity alive for every day. Thank you and have a nice day.